Welcome to Stone Pisau Gallery, located in the heart of Mayfair here in London. We've been dealing in Christo's works for many years, and some of you may remember our 2018 exhibition dedicated to his work that coincided with his project of the mastaba in Hyde Park. Christo's final project was the wrapping of the Arc de Triomphe in Paris that took place in September 2021. We currently have in the gallery 6 works by Christo, but 3 of them are of the gates in Central Park, a project from 2005 and a very popular one, I must say. All 3 works are great examples, but the centerpiece is a particularly good one, with the use of the fabric from the project, which gives it a kind of 3-dimensional feel. It also is a very full pastel and a very collectible piece. Other projects that we have are Running Fence in California. This was done in 1976, and our work also has the original fabric. And then the mastaba in Abu Dhabi, a project that Christo planned but didn't realize, and it is planned to take place and be erected in the desert. It will comprise of 410,000 multicolored barrels piled up in the mastaba shape and will be a permanent structure. Very impressive. The wrapping of the Reichstag in Berlin that took place in 1995 is one of Christo's most celebrated projects, and this is a wonderful piece. Christo's position in history of art is well established, and following his death in 2020 his market continues to rise. We certainly recommend his work to any contemporary collector, and very proud to have these works for sale.